Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show how you can send Teams meeting invite in Outlook. So if you are at the meeting that is currently live, just tap at the three horizontal dots, then go for, or not over here, excuse me. Just tap at the share meeting invite button, then among the apps find the Outlook. If there is not at this list, just expand the list by going into more. So here I have the Outlook option. Now as you can see, the message and subject has been successfully formed and filled for you. All that it's left to do on your end is to type in the email address that you would like to send this invite to and tap at the send button. If you want to do it manually, just do the same thing. Just tap on the share meeting invite button, then copy. After that, manually open the Outlook app, start composing an email, then as your email body or the message itself, just paste what you have just copied and manually set subject and the recipient for this email, and then hit send button. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.